Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate QR code here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Generating a QR code in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to create codes for links, text, or other types of information that can be scanned with a smartphone. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the design or project that you're working. If you haven't already, just click the Create a New Design. And from here, I want you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the apps. Now, if you can't find the apps here, just click on the search, and from here type the search Canva apps, and let's go for the QR code. All right, type in QR and there's going to be a lot of options. When you press enter, you have the contact QR, gen QR, unique QR, and the QR code or QR batch and QR code. All right, so it's up to you. What do you want? For example, if you opt for the QR code generator, click that and click your account here. If you don't have the account for the Tiger, just go again to the apps. Click on the QR dynamic here. All right, so these are some of the options. And from here, you can simply add the QR code, or you can manage QR codes if you want it. Now, you can put in a link or text or an app store. If you wanted to put the link for your App Store link iOS or your Play Store link Android, you can do so as well. If you wanted to default link for the web, just put it here. For example, I'm gonna type in like www.gplaps, or what if I'm gonna quickly go to our Gplaps YouTube channel. If you haven't already, just go to this. I'm gonna copy this, the YouTube of Gplaps YouTube channel. Please click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. And then from here, I'm going to type it in. All right. You can choose, if it's not happening, maybe like press a QR color code, maybe like something like red and the background color is white. Of course, you can add a QR code. For now, let's try to add a QR code. How about we put in HTTPS? How about that? If that doesn't work, all right, click again on the QR code here. Instead, just enter your URL. Click on generate code. As you can see, basically that's how you generate code here in Canva. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.